Hey there, Matt here. I wanted to introduce you to our 4.5 ton Pro Package. Now this is a 0-turn package, a Pro Package that's really excellent value for money. We put together a package so you have so much stuff that it doesn't matter whether you're a guy working on a site and you want something to be able to do things at a reasonable pace, but you don't want to have a massive truck to carry it around. Or maybe you've got a farm, maybe you've got a property, maybe you've got renovation works that you do and you move your machine from place to place. You want something a little bit smaller, but it's still got power, right? It's got all the attachments you could ever want, right? So let me run through and show you this machine. So first of all, it's a 0-turn, okay? Has a Kubota engine. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll show you inside the cabin in a minute, okay? Nice, smooth looking machine, rubber track, so if you go on any roads, you're not going to damage any roads. You've got your blade at the front as well. Obviously, your bulldozer blades like any other machine or excavator, lights, etc. It's also got a swing boom, so you can swing the boom around. So if you want to get in a tight spot, you want to get there. Accessory-wise, we've pretty much got it all covered. First, you've got your hydraulic thumb. So this is all hooked up hydraulically. So you'll come down if you want to grab a tree, you want to grab a rock, you want to grab something. We've got these teeth on it because it's a little bit of a bigger machine. It's got these teeth so you can grab something easily. Your hydraulic quick hitch there as well. On your standard bucket, you've got a little lifting point. So if you want to chuck a chain on and lift something, you can do it, no problems at all. There's a full lifting chart on our website. You can scroll all the way down and you'll see the lifting chart of what this will lift and where it will lift. Bucket wise, for trenching, you've got your 200mm bucket, so you can do your little trenches and like just rip through them like nothing, okay? You've got your 1 meter mud bucket, 800mm mud bucket, your stick rake or your rake or whatever you want to call it as well. And then this, which is an important tool to have, depends on your use, is a 360-degree rotating grab. So that means you can pretty much rotate and grab and pick up stuff and move stuff around if you need to, okay? So a bunch of stuff, and obviously I'm not sure if I mentioned the ripper. You also get the ripper as part of the package. The ripper, obviously, if you want to pull out trees, whatever, maybe you want to rip through some concrete or whatever. So a lot of stuff. You can see just the quality of the machine. You can see the hydraulic fittings, they're all good quality. You can see your bank up here, all good quality. Everything's attached to the boom. It's all done nicely. Everything's done nicely along the top. Nice looking rams. Nice looking rams here. Ram protector here. Down here, you've got a ram protector here as well, right? Now, I'll show you a little bit more as we come around this way into the engine. As I said, it's got a Kubota engine. So access to the engine, basic access, okay? When you want to get in there, your fuel filter, and then I think that's your oil filter there. And then also just basic access to check things. It's very easy, very simple, straightforward. This here is basically a pump. So the cabin will lift. You take out 2 bolts. I'll show you those 2 bolts in a minute. You take the 2 bolts out and you can lift the cabin and lean forward to get access to the top of the engine. Now, you've also got this as well, right? It's just, you got to push it up as you go. We can get access. This is your isolator switch. Okay, I'll just check that's actually on. Yeah, that's on. Access to your air filter and access to your radiator. So all very easily. Plus, you've got your cooler here for your aircon, and then that has the get the fan blowing up, so get some airflow through it. So keeps you nice and cool. So obviously got aircon in there as well. And then we just shut this back up again. Easy. So if you're doing your morning checks or whatever, it's very easy, very straightforward. I'll just swing past. There you go. I'll just swing past this way quickly so you can have a look. You can see your ram for your swing boom there. So it's all nicely done and very easy and very simple. Then you also got your fuel tank as well. So swinging back around here, and we'll have a little bit of a look at the cab. Remember, I'm 6'4", depending on the day, 100 odd, 110, maybe even 120 kilos. It's been a while. Better not to weigh yourself, right? Looking from the outside going in, right? You got your footrests on either side. You've got your foot controls here as well. So you can use either feet or hands. Nice, really good quality controls. As far as the window goes, window will slide up so you can get access there as well. And then also jumping inside, you have to, remembering, I don't know, can you get close in here? Remembering that I'll give my old cameraman a minute to catch up, right? Remember, I'm 6'4", so I'm not small by any means, okay? Dead man down like that, okay? You got your arm controls, so it's like super easy and super comfortable. These adjust as well, right? Up and down, wherever you want to have them, okay? So you can have them adjusted. Your controls easy, like there's room in here. Like I'm 6'4", I'm not touching my head, there's room. Like width-wise, even if you've got a big gut on you, and some of us do, let's be honest, right? Even if you're big, you'll still fit in here, okay? Come a little bit closer, you can sort of see everything. Your lights, windscreen wipers, aircon controls. Little computer here for the revs. The fan's blowing out from behind as well. This gives you a nice breeze, so if it's not too hot a day, you still get a nice breeze. As I said, this window will open up, so you've got the option to open it. It's jammed, I won't worry about that in a minute, okay? And then all over here, you've got some of your hydraulic accessories. So you've got your hydraulic boom swing, your lights, your fast and slow, and then your other bits and pieces. These are the 2 bolts down here as well. So if you actually want to lift the cab, these 2 bolts down here is what you need to take out. And then you can pump the cab up if you want to get better access, right? So I'll just put that back, I'll turn the key off. Like obviously it runs, right? I'll just to prove it to you, it runs. There you go. It's nice, it's quiet, it's smooth. It's a Kubota engine, right? It's the level of a Kubota. It's literally the level of a Kubota. All our machines, right? All our machines, people worry, where are they made? What do they do? Blah, blah, blah. They're basically put together from components all over the world. Japanese, American, and Italian running gear, okay? They're bolted together. There's things that we do from our end to make sure they're right. We're just swinging around here. Just swing around here so everyone can see. This is one of our factories. It's nothing, like it's not a small setup. These all machines, most of them are already sold to someone just like you already, right? So we run our own mechanics, we run everything properly, so we know what we're doing. We're checking things, making sure things are right before they go. So it goes through extensive testing before they leave, okay? Kubota engine is basically a Kubota without the price tag. That's really what it comes down to. It's literally, that's how good it is, okay? If you're interested in one of these, they do have very, very good pricing. They sell very, very quickly. If you're interested, go ahead, reach out to us. You can drop us an email at office@diggerking.com.au. You can fill in our form at diggerking.com.au/step3. That's the word step, the number 3. Or you can just give us a call on the number below. All the pricing is below. If you're not watching this on the website, you're watching it somewhere else, you can go to our website, diggerking.com.au. Just scroll down, there's a form there, scroll straight past it, and just click on the 4.5 ton Zero Swing Pro Package or 4.5 Pro Package, and you'll be suitably impressed and have a machine for years and years and years. Very good machine, doesn't matter what you're doing. It's the balance in between everything. Anyway, looking forward to helping you. Let me know if you've got any questions, and happy to get you sorted out in your own 4.5 ton Pro Package.